And number five cause is medication and drugs. The NSAID is medication for cardiology disease, liver functions, kidney disease, metabolic functions can also contribute to constipation. And in order to identify whether these medications are contributing, then what we can simply do is do a test for medication review. So to identify whether these medications are contributing to constipation or not, and list all the medications that we're taking, when you started taking, what's the doses amount you're taking, and then measure it is with the Bristol stool chart and start indicating whether type 1, type 2, type 3 bowel movements, and you take it for a multiple number of weeks, then you can have the data, and that data will help you identify whether those medications are causing or not. And sometimes it can be one medication, sometimes it can be a combination of multiple medications, and that richness of data will be helpful when you go to doctor's visit, and then doctor can obviously recalibrate the medication or dosages, or even give you another type of medication that may not impact chronic constipation, or they can pair it with some other form of medication that can induce have a laxative effects, because those medication may be absolutely necessary. Again, the medication review can tell whether those medications are impacting your chronic constipation. And if it's impactive, you can exactly identify the start date and the severity of that impact based on dosages. So do a medication review test to identify whether medication is impacting. Simple example is NSAIDs like ibuprofen can impact chronic constipation. Even the supplements, which such as the iron supplements, can impact chronic constipation as well. So do a comprehensive medication review test to identify whether medications are impacting your chronic constipation.